Now, if you have a non-scrolling calculator, you shouldn't be using an iPhone calculator at this point. You should have a calculator. You need something, right? And you should be practicing with these calculators so when you get to the test, you're not so used to using the iPhone calculator, you get to the test, you borrow one of mine, and you don't know how to use it. You need a calculator, okay? So, on this one, it says the fifth root again. So on this calculator, it's backwards. That's why I don't like them. You have to plug in the number under the radical first. So I have to put 32,768. Then tell it I want the x root, which is above the y to the x button. So second, y to the x. And then the index 5. And I get 8. Okay. If I'm doing number 31, the fourth root of 187 to the third power, I'm going to put 187 in first. Then I do the second power button, 4, enter. Then I have to raise it to the third power, enter. 50.57, same thing I got. Okay, so with the radicals, the number under the radical has to go in first in these and the iPhone calculator. Okay. Now for 25 to the negative 1/3, 25, y to the x is my power button. So I hit that and I open the parentheses and it says 0. Now I do what I want. I have to do 1 divided by 3 and then hit a negative. I can't put the negative in first on these calculators. And then close the parentheses. So that's negative 1/3 as a decimal. And then enter. 0.34. Okay. And then for the other one, 20,736 to the, that's the y to the x. Open the parentheses. I can also use the fraction button, 4/5. Close the parentheses, enter. Okay. On both of these calculators, if you don't close the parentheses and just go to enter, you will still get the right answer.